How to earn money with Fiverr 2020. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers can advertise their services. While you can use the site to find gigs that help with student life, it's also a great way to make money. To start earning more money on Fiverr, these are the best freelance gigs to try. 1. Freelance web research. Web researching is one particular time-saving gig that can see you getting paid for your patience. If you're happy to also do other digital admin tasks like data entry alongside web research, it's worth advertising your gig as a virtual assistant role. This is a common way to make money on Fiverr. 2. Design ebook covers. Being able to spot and capitalize on trends is a very useful skill when it comes to making money as a freelancer. For instance, self-publishing has exploded in the last decade, with thousands of authors plumping for ebook formats to make money from their writing. 3. Sell your social media skills. If you're a natural at building online followings and creating viral posts on social media, your skills could be incredibly useful to businesses. It could be the perfect way for you to make money on Fiverr. You could also do picture sourcing, editing tasks, or even offer to start up social media profiles from scratch. 4. Proofread student essays. Particularly around dissertation deadlines when students are under heaps of pressure to get their essays finished, having other people proofread their work can be a godsend. You could offer proofing and editing services, bibliography and citation checking, or presentation and layout packages. 5. User testing. If getting insider access to future trends appeals to you, user testing is definitely worth a look. When doing freelance user testing, you could be required to give feedback on everything from websites, games and apps to customer services and complaints. 6. Teach your hobbies. Whether you've taught yourself fluent Spanish or your parents made you do piano lessons every Saturday for 5 years, there's someone out there who'll pay to learn from you. If you're interested in teaching on a freelance basis, think about what you're interested in and knowledgeable about. Your niche could be anything. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.